Good evening, everyone. Let me, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Victor Anyasco Ilo. I will be your student teacher for tonight's lesson. First, first we have here the business model canvas. So, focus topics, value proposition, channels, and customer relationship. Since our focus topics now is on these three only because I was only I was only the my topic is only at the continuation of student teacher Miss Gear again. So let's proceed. So value proposition. So the unique value a product or service offers to customers. So this solves customer problems, satisfies needs, provides benefits, and differentiates from competitors. So, examples of value proposition. So, affordable, healthy meals for busy students. So, saves time, budget-friendly, nutritious, and fresh. So, diri makita na to is, for example, kana ganing gitawag nila nga what you call this kanang instant meal or instant paniud to kanang gitawag nila og pastil nga anay sudan tapos luto good for student no saves time na budget friendly and nutritious food di ba best example sa mga ingana no and next is channels so ways a company delivers each product or service to customers. We have there the examples which is the physical store, online platforms, delivery services, and social media. Then examples of channels. So we have here Facebook for online platforms. No, we have Facebook, Instagram for promotion, food delivery apps like Panda or Food Grab, di ba? Then school canteen or kiosk, mga physical store nga pwede na to madtuan or mapalitan, di ba? Next is customer relationships. So, how a business interacts with customers. We have here the list of its characteristic now. So, customer service, feedback and support, loyalty programs, and personalized service. Examples of customers relationships is friendly service to customers, discounts for regular buyers, diba nandiyan na sila yung mga discounts basta mga regular na pag sila yung mga pinaskuhan or something mga benefits or promos na ana sila maintain. So responding to messages online though, diba? One example of this is sa TikTok shop or Shopee, no? If we have the item that is damaged nga atong ma-receive is we can request refund or ask them into or message them in online though para istorya ninyo ang about sa item or something gusto nimo i-clarify. And for the summary is value proposition is why customer choose you. So nganong pilion man ka instead sa kadaghan-daghan nila, di ba? Nganong ikaw man, di ba? So channels is how you reach customers. So kung unsaon nimo pag how you reach customers, so unsaon nimo pagkuha sa mga customers, pagkuha sa ilang mga salubin or mga needs or mga kinahanglan nila or their what we call this satisfaction, no? Satisfaction sa nimo na pag-reach para maka-gain kag daghang customers. Then customer relationships is how you connect and keep customers. So yun sa nimo sila pag-stay, how you make them stay, yun sa nimo sila pag-care or pag-atiman, no? How you manage them para stay sila nimo or mag what we call this loyal customer sila nimo, no? Na instead sa na manggaling lain mga kompetensya, well ikaw ra gyapon ang ilang pilion. And I think that would be all for tonight's lesson and thank you and good night.